tonight's Grammar Corner. I hope you enjoy it. Today, we are going to deal with a classic, conditionals. How many days have you been taught conditionals? So many, I'm sure. But as usual, we will start from the very beginning. First, we'll refer to our zero conditional, in which you have the always true statement. If you put water up to 100 degrees, it boils, for example. Present simple, present simple. Then you can have real conditions in which you have two different ideas, one in the present and one in the future. Of course, you can always change the order. For example, if you study hard, you will pass. Could be you will pass if you study hard. Anyway, that means that the condition will probably happen if second condition, the result will happen if the condition is true. For example, if you study hard or if you don't study hard, something will happen, right? Remember with will. Although sometimes you can also have an imperative. If you listen to the teacher coming, don't tell anyone. Or if you are unhappy, tell your girlfriend about it. This time, what you have there is the imperative, not the will before. But it you can unless, which means a negative condition. If not, unless you study hard, you will never pass this course. Or you will never be happy unless you spend some time with your family and friends. Some other expressions are as long as and provided you study, you will pass, or as long as you study, you will pass. And of course, in case something happens, something else will. In case you do your homework, I will appreciate that. Then you have the second conditional, another classic. This talks about unreal conditions. Again, two parts. One in the past simple, another in the would form. If I studied hard, I would pass. What is the difference between this and the previous sentence with the first conditional? That it is unlikely. It's like, if you studied hard, that means that I don't believe you will. Otherwise, I would be using the first conditional. If you did something, if something happened, if I were a rich man, I would remember the song. But you don't think that will happen. There's a specific thing about it, which is the use of the to be form in the past. For example, if he was or if I was can be also stated as if I were or if he were. Finally, for pieces of advice like if I were you, you will always use if I were, not if I was you. All right? Then that was the second conditional. Let's go for the third conditional. Another classic. It's about impossible or past conditions. If you had studied, if you had studied, you would have passed. You can't fix that anymore. You don't have this time, the time to study. The exam is passed. I would have helped you if I had had the chance. So it's in the past or it's impossible. Let's look at a couple of examples. If Chris hadn't gone to the hospital, he wouldn't be alive today. Look at the shape of it. Past perfect, would plus infinitive. I wouldn't have recorded this video if I didn't like your watching it. Let's move on to wishes. You can talk about wishes using the form I wish plus the past simple, which is in the past, of course, in the present, of course. I wish I knew about you. I wish I passed. I wish I. But when you talk about past wishes, like I wish I had done something, you use the past perfect. I had to study more for the test. That would have been have meant my passing the test. Or I wish I had done my homework, and then because you've realized it was essential. Also, you can have wishes and would. I wish you wouldn't have been here, or I wish Pete would phone. Okay, I have the wish of his calling me. Finally, if only, very similar to I wish. If only I knew, it shows a wish again, a desire. I wish, if only I had the time. Past simple for the present wish, and past perfect for the past wish. I wish I had finished my video. I wish I had explained things much better. Oh, I hope that doesn't apply. If you enjoyed this video, thank you for watching.